Iceland, doing a 10-day road trip. We're camping in our tent and we've got a rental car. It's day 7. Good morning, it's day 7. At this point, I've showered once in the last 7 days. My clothes smell from cooking food. Salted caramel porridge with protein. That tastes bad. It's a caramel yogurt with protein. Yeah. See what I can do with my hair on a rainy day like today.
Yay.
Oh, it's so munted.
Stop. Gotta get out of here now. Oh shit, I stole the cat.
Gosh, what?
Cat got 3 legs.
Oh. I wake up like a marshmallow.
Wake up, night terrors.
But do you know what I mean about marshmallows?
Your face is all puffy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
My life.
Really? I hate. So when's the last time you had a vegetable or a piece of fruit?
Like 4 months ago.
Besides the capsicum we had last night, actually.
Yeah.
So we thought this would help us.
Yeah.
Bit of ginger turmeric. The thing is, I can't read the ingredients, so who knows if it's actually good.
Vitamin C enriched.
I'm gonna shake it, eh? I don't want to shot it though.
I'm gonna shot it. Not that bad. Oh yeah.
Health. Okay, next, let's try something new. Lamb jerky.
Lamb jerky.
We paid $12.50 for this. Guess how many grams are in this packet?
80. How many?
Half of that.
40 grams.
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
So we totally just ripped ourselves off here.
No, it's worth a shot. It's called Viking lamb jerky. So we're getting into cultured spirits here. Sounds unreal.
5 pieces. Let's try it. It's really hard to chew.
That's delicious.
We just stopped at this cave. We just walked up those steps to the top.
That's the waterfall. We're too cheap to pay for parking, so we just stop in front of the cameras.
The thing is, like, how many waterfalls are you going to pay for in your life? It's microwave meal night because there's no pots for us to cook. What do you have there? Some curry? I don't know what you call this. Something lamb as well. Today we visited the tallest waterfall and the coolest cave. See you for day 8.